Morning, Steve.
Morning, Nick.
Where are we off to today?
We're going to Futurebuild 2024, which is at the Excel Centre. We'll see you there.
Only a read shed.
Here we are at the Excel. We're just going to go into Futurebuild 2024. We're hoping there's going to be some fantastic, innovative products. It might be solar, it might be building, it might be roofing, but we're on the lookout. Come with us and we'll see what we can find and bring to the market to our customers. Is that right? Yeah, lovely, thank you.
Exhibitors on the other side to start down of those seminars for the day.
Has it been busy or?
Yes, good show.
That's it.
So, good, thank you very much.
Well done. We're on the BrickMet stand. They do lightweight pitch proofing products, and I'm with Chris, who's the technical specification manager. And Chris, can you just tell our followers and our audience and our staff, if they're watching, exactly what BrickMet do?
Of course, so hi, I'm Chris. BrickMet are a UK manufacturer that manufacture lightweight solutions that replicate UK style profiles. So no matter where you go in the whole of the UK, whatever's on the roof already, we have a lightweight low pitch solution that can be used as an alternative.
And most of the profiles seem quite recognisable to me as a roofing merchant.
Yep.
So obviously once they're on the roof, they're sort of indistinguishable from normal concrete tile.
Very true. To the untrained eye, unless you know what you're looking for, unless you're like myself and my colleague Neil, you would have what you are actually looking for.
That's great. We're looking forward to hosting you guys at our training centre at Cricklewood, our Roofing Training Academy, where Mark's going to come along hopefully and do some customer and staff training. Yep. So we thanks for your time.
No worries.
Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a good exhibition.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Cheers. Thank you.
I'm on the wall bar stand, and obviously we've known wall bar for 20 plus years, and they're normal support pads for slabs and pads really are plastic. I'm on the stand with Julian Zerbin, Managing Director, and I've noticed, Julian, you seem to have an awful lot of metal support pads. Can you tell us why, over the last couple of years, you've moved over to them and what the process is behind it,
Yeah, the metal pads and the whole, what we call the substructure, this is all part of the fire-rated refurb of balconies and roofs and terraces to make up for the new fire regulations. So everything on a balcony or a terrace needs to be Class A, completely non-combustible. So the plastic pedestals, the WPC decking can't be used on that. So we're literally ripping and replacing most of the UK estate with Class A. So essentially, it's very much the same as the plastic adjustable pedestal. But this is made out of steel. It's got a special coating on there to make it suitable for exteriors. So the same design, we've got the cross there to put the corners of 4 tiles on. However, if we're building a decking system, then we need to house the joists. So we've got a series of different joists here with a profile on the underside so that you would connect that to the top of the pedestal using a wing clip. So you can do that by hand. It's quite easy and fast to assemble. One of the challenges we've had is with the retrofit, you really don't know what you've got till you rip up the decking that's there. So we've had some terraces, about the overall build-up is 70 mil, and somewhere it's over a metre. So we've got to try and have all of these scenarios covered in the designs we've got. So we've got as low as this, the joist holder that will fit in there with a 20 millimetre rail, and then you'd fix the decking onto that. Or we've got the multiple build-up with the very large rails to create a framework to go up. The surface that we're using here is called an Exadeck. It's an extruded porcelain deck board. It's extremely strong. It has very, very high slip resistance. It won't fade. It's very cool underfoot, doesn't get hot. doesn't expand, doesn't contract, doesn't absorb water.
Obviously, say extruded
Porcelain. Yeah.
A stone, is it?
Yeah. Crucially, it's made in the same way that you'd make porcelain tiles. But crucially, it's made with the profile on the side to fix the fixtures decorative things on there. Now this is rectified. It goes through an additional 3 processes when it's being made, and this makes sure that the sides are dead straight and also the underside is dead straight. When we fix this to the rails, we can't have any movement because A, it's going to be noisy, and B, eventually it's going to start breaking the porcelain. So we've got to make sure everything's dead flat. So we go through this additional process to ensure that we've got a really high performance top quality product on there. The clip itself is aluminium and has been designed to fit the profile perfectly. Once this is all tied together, it's really, really strong. Crucially, over aluminium, you don't get that noise when you're walking on it or when it rains on it. It performs much, much better than an aluminium decking system, and it's about the same price per square metre.
That's great. So, Korean porcelain, I take it that's fire resistant as well then?
It's Class A, it's Class A1.
Okay.
As everything is. So we have aluminium rails, we have steel pedestals. If you've got a vulnerable membrane underneath, like if you're going onto insulation or onto the waterproofing membrane, we've got the additional spreader plate there to just diffuse the weight a little bit more effectively.
That's great. So fire ratings are super important, and that includes balconies. And you can see from what Julian has been talking to us about today, Wallbarn certainly have the solution for that. Fantastic. Thanks very much. Thank you for your time.
So that's just the flavour of what we saw at Futurebuild 2024. What a great exhibition. We hope you found it insightful. If there's anything of interest, please tell us in the comments below. Going forward, we'll be looking to take what we saw and enhance our product offering to our customer base. Don't forget to follow us for more insights. Thanks for watching.